Yep. So, how are you guys? My name is John. Welcome to Rich Mind Skills. And today I want to show something because there is so many people asking about this question. There's so many people asking about this question, that how to set this robot called Man of Wealth. So let's see. Let's say start with step index. Then we drop this to the chart like this one. We drop it to the chart like this one. After we drop this to the chart like this one, this is the step index, 1 hour. So we'll shift to 5 minutes. So what we want to do is to use this table for each and everything. Okay, for each and everything. So if you want this photo clearly, you can check my WhatsApp number in description and I will give it to you for free. But if you want a bot, if you don't have the bot, you can also check me so as you can know what to do. Okay, so by this time I want to show you how to set this bot, how to set it. So as let's say we are just in step index, then we take this robot. Okay, you drag it. So if you don't know how to install the bot, I think I already have a video on how to install the robot, so you can go and see and check out and watch how to install the robot. This is the robot. Download this robot for Forever. Warning: change try point to step above index maximum trade, use 15 minutes, carry spare, whatever. There's so many things inside, but you have to allow the trading and also you have to know what to do on this. Okay, so for instance, this one is step index 5 minutes, and you have to go to this input and you want to set up all this. As you can see, SL multiply is 2.0. as you can read this, all this. So I want to use this photo and check the step index. Where is the step index? Step index is this one, and all this from, so it means you can use 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and then try above, try point, trade size, all this. So in this one we have step index 0.10 trade size. You come to your chart and find where the step, find where the trade size is this one. You double click it like this one and you write 0.10. Okay, then you come again and check again step index and trial points. Trial point is 10. Trial point, you come to trial point. Trial point is this one is 10. Then we have 10. Then we come again to trial step is 5. Trial step is 5. Okay, then after that you come again to try above is 10. Try above is 10. Try above is 10. Okay, well again, step index of saver 15 minutes like this one. Then after that you save it like this one. After you have saved it, after you save everything like this, you click OK. Then you allow the robot to do this job. Okay, that's how it is. So let's also we go to step index. So let's use crash 1000 indexed and take it to the chart like this. This is crash. Then drag the robot, allow go trading, then come to your photo again to see about crash 1000. Crash 1000 is 0.20. Come to here, 0.20, 0.20. Then we check another one, which is 10,000, 10,000, which is trial points, trial point is 10,000. 10,000. Then we come to trial step 1,000. Trial step 1,000. Then you come to another one, which is try above. Try above is 30,000. 30,000. Try above 30,000. Then you save. And what time frame? It can be 1 minute or 5 minutes. Okay. Like that one. Okay, I think you have seen all these steps I'm doing inside here. So after if you do all this, whatever the pair you want to trade, whatever the pair you want to trade, so okay, yeah, so that's how you can do something like that. That's how you can save your robot. You can do it multiple times for each pair you want to make something like this. And this is how all these things are going towards.